Hello everyone, and welcome back to Key2income. Today, we're diving into the world of investing, specifically tailored for beginners in 2023. If you've been thinking about growing your wealth through investments, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics to help you kickstart your investing journey. Why invest? Let's begin with the why of investing. Investing is about making your money work for you rather than the other way around. Whether it's saving for retirement, achieving financial goals, or simply building wealth, investing can help you reach your financial aspirations. Setting financial goals. Before you start investing, it's essential to define your financial goals. Are you saving for a home, planning for retirement, or looking for short-term gains? Knowing your goals will guide your investment strategy. Risk tolerance. Now, let's talk about risk tolerance. Different investments come with varying levels of risk. We'll explore how to assess your risk tolerance and align it with suitable investments. Investment vehicles. In 2023, you have a wide array of investment options to choose from, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. We'll discuss the basics of each and help you understand which might be the best fit for your goals. Diversification. Diversification is a key strategy to manage risk. We'll explain how to build a diversified portfolio to spread risk and increase your chances of success. Investing platform. Today, investing is more accessible than ever thanks to various online platforms and apps. We'll review some of the top platforms for beginners to start investing in 2023. Research and education. Successful investing requires knowledge. We'll point you to valuable resources and tools to stay informed and make informed investment decisions. Getting started. Finally, we'll guide you through the practical steps of opening an investment account and making your first investment. We'll also discuss strategies for long-term success. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing in 2023. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's okay to start small. The key is to start and stay committed to your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more finance and investing tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.